Hello, my name is Jayla. This is Sierra.
Hi.
And sis about to put herself on fleek. Stay tuned.
Everybody, I'm getting ready to finish my look. A high ponytail. Let me finish blending my shadows. Sierra. Okay. So my high ponytail is gonna go like this. I'm gonna do something natural. Oh, I'm gonna blend that in. Let me let that sit a little bit. Needing lashes. Let me get the lashes. So I usually put them on my hand. I don't know, you may see a little residue of makeup. There are two ways I put on lashes. You can put them on the top or on the bottom. I believe I did a tutorial with them on the top before. I am going to do them on the bottom. They're simple. You lay your lashes like you lay a track. Those from left to right. Underneath the bottom. I will get this out of the way in a little bit. Just letting it set. Let me bake. Alright. So, maybe a little graphic. My shadows are here, so I'm just going to use my nail and lift my eye a little bit. And I put it underneath the bottom. Because I need to be very close, I'm gonna need to do it in my mirror. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see me, but just wait. Okay, I did it. Okay, so I put it on there, tweezers. But I just did it with my hands because I don't know where my tweezers are. I need my eyes real quick. Bring it out in the middle of those. I'm gonna put setting powder on again, and I'm gonna redo my blush. Okay, I didn't show you this. It was done off camera. I just this first, and so then I'm gonna put. Are you ready? It's simple, but let me go ahead and. So I lift the eyelid and then I place it. Was laid the track from left to the right.
My high ponytail is going to be done with Got To Be. Now I'm finished my makeup look. Now I'm going to do Got To Be right now. I can use gel, but I don't feel like waiting for it to dry. So, anybody who don't know what it's a holding spray. A lot of times when I do my updos, instead of using Pump It Up Spritz, I use this. Got To Be. It's maybe backwards, but that's what it is. Okay, so I'm going to take this brush. I think I'm going to leave my edges out. I'll deal with them later. I can do two things. I'm going to put this in two because it's definitely too big. This is a quick hairstyle you can do at home. High ponytail. Jay, wait. Okay. Okay. So, okay, if you guys don't know what I just did, I just wrapped my hair around and then wrapped the ends back around in the bun. Is it straight, y'all? Tell me if my ponytail straight. I don't know. It don't matter. Yes, it does. Just bear with me. I'm gonna have my assistant.
I wish I had. Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you, Ashley. Thank you for your help, child. Because this one over here. This one over here? All right. Okay, come. Let me do my assistant right. All right. Can I have a scalpel? I'm just playing. The scissors. The scissors. Right there, baby. Just cut this for me. You know I don't know how to cut. Oh, Father. Okay. All right, so this last part here, I'm going to take it and pin it.
So that's why I'm gonna pin it. Now I don't like my bun all high and mess. So I'm gonna put a pin right there to not give me no bumblebee hive, beehive. So I'm going to finish wrapping it around. And then I'm going to take my last pin and I am going to pin it. I'm going to use Got To Be gel and things like that. So that's the high messy bun. Just don't. This is what I got right here, the extra large, because I love it, love it, love it. So a toothbrush is what I would use for my sideburns. This is the stuff I use. And I'm disappearing, y'all, only because I do it partly with the brush. Oh, I'm almost done, y'all. It's not intended to be a neat ponytail. It is a messy high ponytail.
So this is the finished look.
Those who know me know I don't really wear high ponytails, but I just, like, I want to do it. So see y'all later. Follow me. Cierra Gifted Hands, and then the salon CC's Beauty Bar on Instagram, on Facebook. What else we have? Yeah, Pinterest. We're on Pinterest. And yeah, Cierra Gifted Hands. See you guys later.